I'm super excited to share with you the November Crafty Courtyard kit for 2020. I apologize we're a little late with this, but our move from Georgia to Florida has us so busy and things are so hectic, but I wanted to be sure to show you what's inside, and here we go. So this is a beautiful box, and here's the postcard. It's got this really pretty butterfly, blessed beyond measure. The theme for this box is thankful. It's just, November is always a month to think about what we're thankful for, and so that's what I themed this. We've got these beautiful colors here, the color palettes, browns, creams, peach, a little bit of peach with some blue. It's really pretty. The postcard tells you what's inside and about our Crafty Courtyard Facebook group, which you want to join. There's lots of projects and inspiration there. And remember to always make a project with your postcard. It's useful. Here's our cardstock color palette. You're going to get your 210-pound sheets of white ice rink cardstock. And the postcard says you get 6 colored cardstocks. We're throwing in a little extra. We found another brown that really coordinated, and we thought we'd give you a little extra sheet there. So we've got light blue, dark blue, this textured creamy yellow color, and 3 shades of tan and brown. And we've got a pop of peach in there. Really pretty. As always, you're going to get your handy dandy 8.5 by 11 zippered project bag, so you can keep all your projects in, take it on the go, or just keep everything organized. You're going to get 4 white envelopes, A2 size. Mine are a little crumpled. I get the misshapen ones, of course. I don't get the good ones that you guys get. We've got a beautiful exclusive sequin mix. We've got those really pretty blues with some browns and gold tones in there. Just some really pretty sequins. Oh, look at the enamel dots. Aren't they gorgeous? They've got glitter, and of course they're in that really pretty color palette. Don't forget your 1-inch collectible little badge button here. And it's just a real pretty blue with some butterflies and polka dots. Gonna get a stencil, and this is an exclusive stencil to the kit. So we've got a small and a large butterfly silhouette that you can stencil in one color. And then over that, you've got the insides of the butterfly to make some really pretty different colored, like a layered look for the stencil. And then here in the center, we have this really pretty, just butterflies in flight. Make a really pretty card with that. We've got another embossing folder this month, and I'm really super excited to play with this. I love plaids. So this is our plaid embossing folder, and you will be able to purchase this outside the kit, but we love putting this in the kit as an extra tool for you to use, and it just adds so much value to the kit. You're gonna get, as always, a full 6x6 paper pack. So that's 24 sheets. We give you 24 patterns. They're double-sided, so you get 2 of each sheet, and I'll go through these really pretty papers with you. So we have these butterflies and stripes. We have a hexagon in brown, some really pretty floral pattern. Here's a blue polka dot. Here's a nice grid pattern. Here's one with the words thankful, blessed, thanks, grateful. It's really nice. Here's some big bold butterflies. Giving you some different looks this time. So look at that, it looks like burlap. Really cool. It looks like a nice texture, but yet it's a flat paper. Here's some dotted stripes. We have a blue hexagon. We have some more bold butterflies and some softer colors. Here is a yellow polka dot. Ooh, look at this. It looks like sparkling lights from off in the distance. We have some more of those words in the blue. We have some bigger florals. Here's kind of that peach tone polka dot. Some more butterflies with a dotted background. Can never go wrong with some good stripes. It's got a couple different stripes there. We've got a light blue polka dot. We've got some more random butterflies with a dotted background. A light blue hexagon. Look at this cool weathered wood pattern. It kind of looks like some nice wood floors. That makes a nice background. And then this, just something different. It's kind of, it looks like a watercolor light blue background with some pretty stars. And here is our 6x6 stamp set for the kit. We've got some bold, solid florals with the leaves that go with them, and then a small and a large butterfly. Really pretty. And then we've got some really nice sentiments. I love this script font that's here. We've got grateful, blessed, thanks, thankful, and thank you. And these are just things you can use all year round. You can use for lots of different occasions. And the smaller sentiments we've got: for your kindness, beyond measure, you are too kind, for all you do, from the bottom of my heart. It was so thoughtful of you, and so very. So you could so very thankful, so very blessed, so very grateful. You can just mix and match those sentiments together. Last but not least, we've got our dies. So I know you love your coordinating dies. So we have our butterflies and our florals and leaves as our coordinating dies, and we're giving an extra bonus. I love to throw in extras when I can. We've got the word thanks in this really pretty script font. It coordinates with the font that's in the stamp set. It's just larger. And then you've got that shadow feature. So you can cut out the real fine, delicate word thanks in that script font. And then it's got the shadow feature as well. And I hope to get some cards made with this kit so that we can go through a card making video, so you can get some ideas of what you can create with this kit. I hope you've enjoyed going through the items in our November 2020 Crafty Courtyard kit. I hope these kits just feel like Christmas when you open them up. I know when I get all the items in stock and I put them together and I do this video, I get really excited. It's like Christmas morning. I go, oh, look at that, look at that. And look how everything coordinates and goes together. And I get a million ideas in my head of what I can create with them. So thanks for joining me today. And until next time, keep living the creative life.